Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to assemble the 76525 jet body and how to install and remove the 76526, 76528, and 77178 jets from the jet body. Step 1. Place the gasket on the back side of the jet body. The gasket goes in between the jet body and the inside shell of the spa. Step 2. Place the trim piece on the jet body and install the jet body into the jet body opening. Step 3. Install the nut on the back side of the jet body with the smooth side facing the gasket. Turn the nut clockwise until the jet body is securely fastened against the spa shell. Use channel locking pliers to fully tighten the nut, but do not over tighten. Step 4. Insert the jet into the jet body. Turn the jet clockwise about 1.5 rotations until you feel it stop. Continue turning a quarter rotation until you feel it stop again. Turn it again until you hear a series of clicks. The jet is now properly seated. Step 5. Remove the jet by turning it counterclockwise. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.